What's up, guys? Adam here with another episode of the Distillery Exclusive, episode 3. This week we're going to be doing Tumbleweed Spirits Distillery out in Osoyoos, using their Tumbleweed Gin to make a White Lady. Enjoy. Alright, so the White Lady cocktail, lemon, gin, and Cointreau with a bit of egg white, depending on who you are. You don't have to put egg white if you don't want. It's basically just a gin sidecar with egg white. Very, very dry, intensely dry cocktail. It's not exactly, well, I mean, I prefer dry cocktails. I don't like sweet ones. When it comes down to it, I'm more of a stirred down and brown kind of guy, but I don't mind these cocktails at all. They're quite nice. Tumbleweed Spirits out in Osoyoos. I haven't been there yet, but I do intend to get down there in the next year or two. The Tumbleweed Gin is a Canadian dry gin, so very similar to a London dry gin. It's very juniper forward. It has some sage coming in there, some citrus. But how I find this is it is actually quite mellow compared to other juniper forward gins. I don't know, I'm not the best at when it comes down to like tasting notes and stuff, so you're gonna have to, if you want a tasting note, you're gonna have to go to Sean Sewell at BC Spirits. The guy knows exactly what he's talking about. He gives unreal tasting notes. But for me, it's got like a creamy mellowness to it, so it's quite nice gin, and it works really, really well in this cocktail. But anyway, that's all that I got for you this week. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my cocktail, and I'm going to get back to it, so cheers.